guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button below and subscribe for more videos. So on this video, I'm just going to be showing you the kids room, their bedroom, the decoration that I've done so far. And since you guys already know, we moved into a new house recently, so I've just been fixing the whole house, decorating. It's getting there slowly but surely. We're getting there. So I think the kids room, just the only a few bits that are left to do. So today I'm just going to be fixing the bedding that I got from Wayfair and some other things on Amazon. So, and the beds as well, and the bed that I got for the kids. So I'm just going to be fixing those and showing you the room, what it looks like. First things first that I always do before first things that I do always when I'm cleaning, the first thing that I always do is light up my candle. I've got this candle from the range, so I normally use it in the kitchen, but I don't put candles in the kids room because it is not safe. So but anyways, when I'm cleaning, I just always prefer to have a candle around. We got that, and let's get right into the video. Also got this poster that is hanging by Othniel's bed. So I got this one from the range, and I just like the whole snowy vibe. Like, I love snow, so yeah. And on this side we have a Paw Patrol on the wall. This is why I ended up going for all the neutral colors in this room, because next thing, before Othniel used to like Paw Patrol, but now he doesn't like it that much, and he likes all these different kind of cartoons, and so does Onan. So instead of buying all these different decors of their favorite cartoons, and then you find that the next month they don't like it, and you find that the following month you have to change another design. So this is what I was trying to avoid, so I ended up going for all the neutral colors in the room, which are like black, gray, white and silver kind of look. And yeah, but I didn't take out the poster down because it is beautiful there and it's nice there, and that's the only cartoon that they're ever gonna have in the room. No, not putting any more cartoons. And over here we've got this display. So originally this used to be the Christmas decor that I had done in the kitchen, and so is this Christmas tree. But since Christmas is finished, I did not want to throw them away, so I thought I'll put them into good use. So they've got this like chest of drawers here. So on top I put these two mirror trays here and just made like a cute display of these Christmas decors. And obviously, as I said before, this candle, I don't use it up here, and you normally use it in the kitchen. It's just there for because I was cleaning the room. And on top here we've got this cloud thing that I got from the range, and I put all of Othno's favorite books, bedtime stories and stuff like that. And yeah, normally on here I normally put the cream. This is where it stays here. It's normally like this without the candle. So this is what their room looks like. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to know where I've got all these things from, the beddings or the cushions or whatever, I'm gonna do a more detailed video about the room to tell you where I got all of these things from. And I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe for more videos. What do you think? Ta-da! Do you like it? Do you like it, or is so?
Wow!
Do you like it? See? Penguin.
Hello, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Mama kiss.
Mama.
Do you like it?
Yeah, lucky.
You do? So why are you sleeping there?
It's a me bed.
Is that your bed? I can't see you. Where are you? Hi.
Hi.
You like the bed?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. What?
Sit down.
Where? Where?
There.
You gonna share with Onan?
No, on the bed here.
Is that Onan's bed? Okay. Where is Othno's bed?
Me bed.
Yes.
Huh?
And already he's messed it up.